Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down prerequisites and taking the first tangible steps. Define one primary KPI, sales versus leads, so you can optimize toward measurable outcomes. Once done, set a realistic budget and timeline and choose the platform where your audience actually spends time. Make sure creative assets exist: headlines, images, and a short video. Install the tracking pixel now, because without it you cannot measure conversions. Finally, create the campaign shell and name it clearly, so reporting stays organized as you progress. Now you build the campaign and focus on execution. Create the campaign with the chosen objective, then set up ad sets that define audience, placements, and budget allocation. Use lookalike and first-party lists and layer exclusions to avoid overlap. Upload multiple creatives and test 3 variations per ad set to learn what works. Configure bidding. Start conservatively with target CPA or manual bidding, so algorithms have room to train. Monitor early metrics daily, and reallocate spend toward winners while pausing poor performers to conserve budget. Finish by launching and preparing to scale while knowing how to fix issues. Once live, watch conversion funnel metrics and ROAS, and increase budgets in 20% steps every 2 to 3 days to keep learning stable. Duplicate top-performing ad sets to scale without destroying performance, and rotate creatives to prevent fatigue. If results falter, first verify the tracking pixel and conversion events, then inspect audience overlap, bid limits, and delivery caps. As a key tip, clear cache and test in incognito to reproduce user-facing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.